Here's a 2020 Chevrolet Equinox Premier, only 18,000 mile, one owner with a clean Carfax and silver. Really nice low mileage, light new 2020 Equinox here. Premier is the top of the line trim level on this particular vehicle, so as we make a walk around, we'll kind of show you some of the options and upgrades you get with the Premier trim. Starting at the front, you can see a nice smoked headlamp pod there with the high intensity headlamps and the LED fogs in the lower bumper fascia. Some chrome embellishments around the center and lower grille area. So we walk around to the side here, you can see a kind of spider web alloy wheel, light new tires on the vehicle as well, and you also can see a nice shiny rotor and thick brake pad. So one thing we really pride ourselves here at All Things Automotive, we do a used car mechanical check on all our vehicles. Find the results of that inspection signed out by the technician that performed it in the glove box of all of our cars. Peek through the passenger side front seat. See chrome door, Equinox sill entry guards, also ebony leather, offset kind of beige stitching. Two bucket seats with console in between with an automatic floor shifter and otherwise gray on gray interior. A little bit of synthetic embellishments around here as well. Just want to show you, we do have the books in there. Also want to show you the report that I spoke of. You can see there that the tires are 8/32, newer 10 to 12. So we're, 2/3 or better on the tread there. So we put brand new front brakes on this vehicle, and it has like new rear brakes. We will not skimp on reconditioning. We always want to make sure you guys have, like new wearables, so you don't have to put a lot of money into routine maintenance items shortly after purchase. Look through the back seat here, you can see it's a very spacious, ample leg, hip, and shoulder room, 5-passenger compact SUV here. I also want to show you on the back, got a power supply all the way down by the floor. We got 2 USB ports, and then we got the flow-through center console, so it'll really help keep your rear occupants comfortable and connected. Now, Michelin's all the way around on this. Of course, we already went over the depths, but they do all match. Coming around to the side, you can see all-wheel drive Equinox Premier badging. Equinox badging there. Let's go ahead and hit the liftgate. Got a power liftgate. You can see the backup camera there as it goes up. Power liftgate's a nice feature. 40/60 fold down on the rear seat. I also want to show you underneath here, you have a nice little well. You do have a spare tire underneath this area as well. But you can see you got some cargo area there also. So a lot of different ways of carrying things. Oh, actually, since it is a power liftgate, let's just hit the button here. Let the liftgate do the work for us. Continue around to the side. Again, like I say, all Michelin's. And a peek through the back, it's a very clean interior. There's no rips, tears, stains, or odors. It looks like a new one in here. Very well cared for by the previous owner. Also, it does have the proxy entry exit. Allows you to just simple touch of the button, lock and unlock the doors. So we look in through the driver's side, full power seat, including lumbar on the driver's side. Also want to show you on the Premier, you do have the ability to adjust the opening height of the hatch. You do have memory seating, power windows, power mirrors, power door locks, all located there on the door. Also, we promised 2 sets of keys. I have one here with me now. Integrated keyless entry, factory remote start, another button for the power liftgate and the panic. Let's hop in here real quick. Went away. 18,302 is the miles. There you see it, 18,302. It's just giving me a little message on the memory seating. Also, we always keep a copy of the auto history report, Carfax in this case, on the dash. You can see no accidents or damage, one owner. Let's go ahead and continue the tour. We do have automatic headlamp controls, push button fog light, and your dimmer for your interiors. Stem to the left, high beams to turn signals. Your automatic headlamps there. We also got your intermittent wiper washers. It is equipped with all the safety features, lane departure, as you can see, forward collision warning, and your radar cruise. Also got your Bluetooth and your control pad here for your customizable center display. Big touchscreen radio, AM, FM satellite radio, mobile hotspot, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. You can see all that there. Let's see if it has OnStar Nav, not the factory nav, but we do have OnStar Nav here as well. And of course, you have the ability to pair your phone, AM, FM satellite. We do have heated leather seats, driver and passenger. Dual climate control here as well, with automatic temperature setting, as you can see there. Also down below, see the USB, Maxi, and Mini. We also got the auxiliary and the 12-volt power supply. Turn that off. Fans are kicking in. AC blows nice and cold. 2 cup holders. Automatic floor shifter here. We got your electronic emergency brake. And up here we got your all-wheel drive lock button, which is a nice feature as well. In the console, 2 more USB ports. We got USB ports all over. We do have auto dim on your rear view. We do have your OnStar. All GM vehicles are equipped with that. We do have your LED map lights getting fired up there, as you can see. And then we also have them on the driver's side as well. So well equipped. It doesn't have factory nav. It doesn't have the roof. But other than that, it's very well equipped. Another safety feature this thing has, as you see on the mirror there, it does have blind spot monitoring as well. Let's go ahead and take a look underneath at the hood. I believe this one has the 1.5 liter 4-cylinder displacement engine. So we'll take a look underneath here at what we got. That is what we have, 1.5 liter Ecotech. Clean and quiet, no exhaust leaks, fluid leaks, corrosion on the battery terminals. Well maintained. Turn the vehicle off. We'll get into the last portion of the video. Just to kind of recap for you guys. Looks like we have new front brakes we put on. It's got 65% or better on the tires. 1 owner vehicle, no accidents. Last part of making informed buying decisions, cosmetic appearance. I'm just going to kind of walk the car here, show you any minor imperfections it may have. But on first go around, I did not really notice much, guys. It looks to be very, very clean and straight. As we look down that body line there, you can see no dings or dents. Roof line looks good. No dings or dents there. Quarter panel looks fine. Tiny little scratch there. A few very minor stone chips here on the back. A couple little minor scuffs from putting cargo in and out on the painted lower bumper fascia here. Very common. A little tiny chip there. Little tiny chip there. Make sure that's not dirt. No, just a little stone chip. Working our way up the passenger side now. Looks to me to be as clean as the driver's side was. Give you a shot down there just to show you. It looks good. Fender looks fine. Even the painted portion of the lower front bumper fascia doesn't really have many chips or anything on it. I know it's a 2020, but typically you'll find some stone chips, and this one looks good. Across the hood, a couple chips have made their way up here. But that is it, guys. This hits the bill of what we like. A like-new alternative. Save money over new. It does still have the remainder of Chevrolet's powertrain and comprehensive warranty transferable to the second owner, so you can buy it with confidence if you're interested. A few ways of getting a hold of us. You can come visit us, 21518 Great Cove Road in McCollinsburg, Pennsylvania. Give us a call at area code 717-485-4224. Hit option 1 for sales. And of course, you can shop 24/7 online at www.allthingsautomotive.com. Again, my name is Kevin Richards. I appreciate your time watching this video. I hope you found it beneficial, and I wish you an excellent day.